Hi everyone, share ko lang. Lalo na kung gusto mo mag-isip ng own ng lot dito sa Kamahal Coast sa Tandatangan Golf Residences, nakatabi mismo ng golf course. One of the biggest benefits dito ay yung open space, tahimik na environment. Golf side lots usually mas presko yung hangin, maraming puno, mas maaliwalas, at bagay siya kung plano mo magpatayo ng vacation home o future retirement house. May mga areas na overlooking talaga ng sea view, kaya ang ganda ng potential kapag nakapagpatayo ka na ng bahay dito. Ang maganda sa pag-own ng lot dito, hawak mo yung timing. Hindi ka required magpatayo agad, pwede mong i-hold muna yung property, then build kapag ready ka na. Design mo at pace mo. Now, just to manage your expectation. Personally, mga 4 to 5 years development timeline usually binabagtik ko sa lahat ng kliyente ko. Based experience at usual, pacing tayo lagi since it's a master plan development. Hindi siya official timeline, sharing lang para malinaw yung long-term nature ng project natin. Hindi siya pang madalian, and that's actually good. Kung ang hanap mo is lifestyle at long-term value, no rush tayo dito. Good news naman, may mga available na tayo na lots for turnover dito sa Tandatangan Golf Phase 1 and Phase 2, kung saan pwede na tayo magpatayo ng bahay na ready na mag-build. Okay? Kaya kung ang hanap mo is gold side living, possible sea views, at property na pang long-term plan talaga, Tandatangan Golf Residences is worth checking. Kung gusto mo malaman more project details, updates, even my personal insights, just send me a message. I'll guide you through. No pressure selling, sharing lang ng important details.